cold start time. Damn, boy. We back on the YouTube grind, guys. We in the Type us. This booty, cheap. AliExpress steering wheel cover. And if you guys are wondering, like, what the hell did I do? This shit look tacky. I mean, it looks cool, I'm not gonna lie. I still haven't finished it. I've just been like this for a month. I'm not gonna keep this on for long. This is just so I like having a steering wheel cover just so I know my steering wheel is gonna get protected and stuff. It's like a me thing, I don't know. Feels decently warmed up. Man, it's not really a Christmas tree anymore on the dash. I got the windows down for y'all. Like, this is boost weather. Let me check what's the weather. It's like what? It's 54 degrees out there. It feels like it's like 30. I'm not gonna lie. We about to reveal what the hell we got done to this car. Y'all see how responsive that motherfucker is? That boy responsive, guys. We went with the K-Tuner. A real review, like, no lie. I'm about to tell y'all the truth. You think I made a mistake getting a K-Tuner, or like, should I have just went with the Honda? I don't know what it is. I actually really want a K-Tuner because it was like the bang for buck, right? But like, let me tell you the truth. I went with the V1, V1.2 or whatever. So like, I didn't really need this screen because you can download a legit app for it. And let me tell you guys, look how cool this is. You can have up to 5 settings on here for your tunes and just load it up from your phone. You just pay $5 for the thing. What's the point of paying an extra $250 or whatever? You might as well just get a tablet or something, or an Android unit for your car. Like, you could just keep doing this instead of going over there and spending that extra $250. You really save a lot of money. 100%, like, I'm gonna be so honest with y'all, Honda over K-Tuner any day. From what I've heard from tuners, they told me the Honda is like, it's easier to use. There's more options on there, especially since I was debating doing the manual swap on this car. And my boy selected all the parts for me. He had the 8th gen Accord transmission. He put in the Acura TL 6-speed LSD. He changed everything. It was a built trans you really need for the car. But if you don't know, in the last video I did bring up that I gotta do the motor swap on this car. I've been gone for a minute because I just got done with the motor swap. This is the part where everyone's gonna, like, not everyone out there knows how to tune. Like, I've been like for the last week since I installed the K-Tuner, I'm gonna show you another thing. I'm gonna bring you guys a video of like how the K-Tuner, how to process it. It's actually so simple once you really get the hang of it. It goes into your OBD2 port and you can connect it via Bluetooth and all this crap, and it's dope, I'm not gonna lie. This is the part where it's a game changer for everyone. Everyone that goes with a piggyback tuner, a tuner for the ECU, a Flash Pro, whatever it is, you guys all want a base maps, right? Tell me why I plug this thing in here and I get it set up and I'm just sitting there like, where the hell is my base maps at? It only says factory calibration and some it's force induction. My mans, this car is not force induction. I'm not trying to put in so much fuel and so much timing into this car and blow it up or something. I don't know. Like, I'm trying to learn how the fueling chart, ignition chart, all that works, because K-Tuner, I don't know what in the world K-Tuner is thinking. Like, they really need to update their freaking base maps for the Type S. Like, the TL Type S is kind of an iconic, legendary car. Like, let's be all real. Everyone, like, a lot of people want the TL Type S. How come the RSX Type S? Civic Si, yeah, they're cheaper and stuff, but still, these are all cars that are like Honda's high performance motors. They're all high compression motors and stuff. Like, they're built to be a fun sports sedan or sports coupe or whatever you call it. They didn't, for this car, they didn't have a base map. Like, I looked at videos on the, what is it, the 4th gen TL, and they had base maps for the 4th gen TL, but like for the 3rd gen, how come they don't have it? More people got the 3rd gen. It just doesn't click on my head. That I was hoping I could run a base map until I can collect all of my parts and actually get it dyno tune, unless I can learn how to street tune myself. Because if you know how to street tune, what's the point of paying $200, $300, $500 to get dyno tune or street tune? Yeah, dyno tune is gonna be the best, but like, I mean, compared to street tuning, you could do it yourself. You change up the maps and stuff. You just really gotta learn. But this is not the car to learn. You blow up the motor, that's another 2 to 4 bands going back into the motor, and nobody wants to do that. At that point, you might as well sell the car and get something faster. I'm gonna be real to you guys. Let me show you guys the K-Tuner real quick. So, quick overview of the app. It's only $5, one-time payment, probably 2 times if you get a different device and all. So we go here, we can go ahead and switch the layout. This is cool because it all goes around and stuff. You can change every single one of these. There's like 4 batteries. This is really important. Like at first I don't understand how important the battery is. Whenever you're doing anything to the ECU, you do not want your freaking car to die. You probably could erase something in the ECU and probably not get it back, or some parameters or something got messed up. You need to check this battery voltage. This is important. Personally like this one the most. It looks like the Civic Type R TL right here. I got a nickname for the car. It's called the Black Bullet. So like, you feel me, you're gonna pull up next to the Black Bullet, you're gonna get the bullet. That shit's gonna go kaboom on your ass. Show y'all the motor before I gotta go in the gym. It's getting late out here. Odds. Don't mind my valve cover. The gasket is leaking again for some reason. I did replace it. I replaced the back one. This front one's old. Just gotta go ahead and redo that. Still, I got my innovative motor mounts. Honestly, the nicest thing under the hood at this point. I got my wrinkle black painted intake manifold and valve cover gaskets. I got the J37 intake manifold at home. Haven't installed that. Here's the back one. The front has the RV6. What is RV6 high flow cats, but they're gutted, so the pre-cat deletes. Just changed the terminal right here because this thing kept coming loose. Still gotta fix this positive one, don't mind that. We got the K&N Typhoon intake, which is for sale for any of you guys. Let it go for 80 bucks. I got the cold air part too, and I got the sensor already mocked up, which this sensor on the J35, on the J37 intake manifold has to be on the intake because they deleted this part. So I have it mocked up whenever I plug up the J37 intake manifold. So that's there. Just gotta plug it up. I took apart the wires so it reaches there. So it has the hot air as of right now. The cold air part is raining too much. We're on some Yonaka coilovers, and I would honestly, Yonaka coilovers are kind of trash. Like, it's been what, 2.5 years, and the front left one is blown, I think. Future things we got to do to this car is EGR delete. It's a simple build. The front is only lowered. I got to get this fender. Guys, I really need y'all to stick around this channel, guys, because this TL is about to be looking very different soon. I got my endless RPM. What is it? The duck bill. It's carbon fiber. Shout out to my boy for giving that for 50 bucks. 20 wheels, and I painted them. They were originally blue. If you can tell, the paint looks amazing on here. They're spray painted dirty too, by the way. But these are the wheels. They're 18 by 10s or 18 by 9.5s, one of those. All right, guys, we got the TL out in the hood right now. The fuck? Hey, man, that's some food at the Slap Box. So you know, we in Detroit. We're in the 6 mile brick mile. I just got a fresh ass cut. I don't usually show my face like that, but yeah, we out here today. Got my brother Tamim here. Man, it's too cold out here. We about to just sit in the car. This kid wildin', guys. But y'all go check out my TikTok though. I actually posted a badass video. That's my change, guys. You know what I mean? We're gonna put that where? My change right there. Brother right there.
She fat.
Let's see what he up to.
She fat.
That boy on Tinder right now, bro. With the type S. Type shit. Wait.
Type S on Type S.
Oh.
That one.
Oh. Ah. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. We got the banger bacon. Oh, 100% halal too, brother. The hell you got, bro?
Patty melt.
Oh my god.
Basana.
I should drive out. Alright, we playing this right now. I got 4 more. I'm busting his ass. That boy mad, that's why he's throwing it around. Hold up. We got all the boys out here. Busting this boy's ass. Stop playing. That boy going in retirement right now.